Most local businesses are going to lose customers in 2026, not because the economy is bad, not because their product isn't good enough, but because their competitors discovered AI tools first and they never looked back. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact AI tools that local businesses are using right now to get more leads, run better Facebook ads, and grow faster than ever before. Stay to the end, because the strategy I'm saving for last is the one that ties everything together. And it's the difference between a business that grows and one that gets left behind. Welcome back to Ace Media. If you're new here, this channel is dedicated to one thing: helping local business owners use AI and smart marketing to grow without wasting money, without needing a computer science degree, and without paying agency retainers that eat your profits. So if that sounds like what you need, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Let's start with a reality check, because I think it's important you understand what's actually happening out there right now. According to recent data, over 60% of small and local businesses say they feel behind when it comes to adopting new technology. Meanwhile, the businesses that are leaning into AI tools, even just a handful of them, are reporting faster customer response times, lower cost per lead on their Facebook ads, and more consistent revenue month over month. So the gap is real, and it's growing every single month in 2026. But here's the good news. The tools we're about to walk through are not complicated, they're not expensive, and most of them have free tiers you can start with today. You don't need to be a tech person. You just need to know which tools to use and how to plug them into your business. Tool number one is AI-powered content and copy generation. And before you roll your eyes and say you've already heard about ChatGPT, stay with me, because most local businesses are using these tools completely wrong. They're typing in one vague prompt, getting a generic response, and walking away thinking AI doesn't work for them. Here's what actually works. You need to feed the AI your voice, your offer, and your customer's pain point. For a local plumber, that might sound like, write a Facebook post for a local plumbing company targeting homeowners who just had a pipe burst, using an urgent but reassuring tone, with a call to action to book a same-day appointment. That specificity is what unlocks results. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and even Google's Gemma, which is completely free and has been turning heads in 2026, can help you produce emails, social captions, Google Business posts, and ad copy in minutes. For local businesses, that means you're never staring at a blank screen again. You're consistently showing up online, which builds trust, which drives calls. AI tools are too. Facebook ads automation with AI. Now let's talk about tool number two, and this one directly impacts your revenue: AI-powered Facebook ad tools. Facebook ads are still one of the highest ROI marketing channels for local businesses in 2026, but only if you're running them correctly. And the biggest mistake I see local business owners make is spending money testing ads manually when AI can do that testing for you. Tools like Meta's Advantage Plus campaigns use machine learning to automatically find your best performing audience. But you can take it a step further by using AI to write multiple ad variations, test different hooks, and identify which creative is connecting. The key insight here, and pay attention to this, is that AI doesn't replace your ad strategy. It accelerates it. You still need to know who your customer is, what problem you solve, and why someone should choose you over the competition. But once you know those things, AI tools can help you put that message in front of the right people at the right time, at a fraction of the cost of doing it manually. At Ace Media, we've seen local businesses cut their cost per lead in half, just by layering AI-assisted copy with Meta's smart bidding tools. That's real money back in your pocket. That's more capital you can reinvest into your business growth without the headache of constant manual optimization. AI tool number three, AI-powered customer conversations. Next, we're diving into how AI is handling the frontline communication with your leads to ensure no opportunity slips through. Because in 2026, speed to lead isn't just an advantage, it's the requirement for survival. Tool number three is AI-powered customer conversations. Here's the thing most business owners don't think about. You can run the best Facebook ads in the world, But if someone messages your business page at 9 p.m. on a Saturday and doesn't hear back until Monday morning, that lead is gone. Your competitor answered. AI chatbots and conversational tools like ManyChat, Tidio, and newer AI integrated options have gotten dramatically better in 2026. They can answer common questions, book appointments, qualify leads, and even follow up automatically, all without you lifting a finger. And these tools now integrate directly with Facebook and Instagram. So when someone comments on your ad or sends a DM, the AI handles the conversation instantly. For local businesses, we're talking restaurants, salons, gyms, contractors, medical clinics. This is a game changer. You're capturing revenue that used to fall through the cracks every single night. So now you know 3 powerful AI tools that local businesses are using to win in 2026. But the next one might be the most underrated of all. Tool number 4 is AI for local SEO and review management. Getting found on Google Maps and local search is still one of the most valuable things a local business can do. And AI tools are now making it dramatically easier to optimize your presence and manage your reputation. Platforms like Bright Local, Whitespark, and even AI-enhanced features inside Google Business Profile are helping local businesses identify keyword gaps, suggest content for their listing, and respond to reviews in a consistent, professional tone. Speaking of reviews, AI tools can now draft review responses for you in seconds. That means you're responding to every single review, positive or negative, without spending an hour a week doing it manually. And Google notices that activity. Businesses that actively engage with reviews consistently rank higher in local search results. So this isn't just about looking good, it's about being found. Now here's the strategy I promised you, the one that ties all 4 of these AI tools together into a real system. Think of it like a funnel, but powered by AI at every stage. We're talking about a seamless flow from lead to customer. At the top, you're using AI content tools to create consistent, compelling posts and ad copy that instantly gets attention. In the middle, you're running AI-assisted Facebook ads that put that content in front of your local audience with surgical precision. When someone responds, whether they click, comment, or message, the AI chatbot picks up the conversation and moves them toward booking. On the back end, your AI-driven local SEO and review tools are making sure new customers can find you organically and trust you. That's a complete AI-powered growth system, and the businesses running it in 2026 are seeing results that used to require a full team. The beautiful thing is, you can build this stack for a few $100s a month, or even less if you start with the free tiers. Pro tip for 2026: the secret sauce is integration. Don't just run these as 4 separate silos. You have to connect the data flow. Use automation layers like Zapier to pass lead data from your ads directly into your CRM and chatbot for a speed to lead advantage. Let's recap the 4 AI tools every local business should be using right now to dominate their local market and grow. Number 1, AI content and copy tools. Stop creating from scratch and start creating with high-efficiency AI assistance. Number 2, AI-powered Facebook ad tools. Let the algorithm and the AI work together to find your most profitable customers. Number 3, AI customer conversation tools. Never lose another lead to slow response times or simple human error. And number 4, AI local SEO and review management. Make sure your business gets found first and gets chosen every time. These aren't future tools, they're available today, and local businesses using them are pulling ahead of the competition every single week. Here at Ace Media, we cover this stuff every single week. Real strategies, real tools, real results for local business owners. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button so more local business owners can find it. Drop a comment below and tell me, which of these 4 AI tools are you going to implement first? I read every comment and I'd love to know where you're starting. And if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to Ace Media right now, because next week we're going deep on exactly how to set up AI-assisted Facebook ads for a local business from scratch, step by step. You do not want to miss that one. I'll see you in the next video.